Today I have come with a very good news for India and other Asian countries. ClodPi, a Bangalore-based Indian company, has recently been approved for manufacturing helium miners, and in this video we will learn everything about it. Hey folks, this is Roy and welcome back to my channel iGenTech. We will start by checking the Google Docs spreadsheet maintained by Helium Corporation. In this spreadsheet, they show the current status of all the manufacturers, current application status of all manufacturers. And here on row 13, there is ClodPi, and different columns here represent different milestones. And you can see they have ticks in most of them, and the regulatory certification is done for Indian 865 MHz frequency, and the important ones here are the integration complete status, which is done, and the manufacturing oversight committee, which has approved their miner. And you can also see there are ticks in pre-order begin and maker account created, which means they have got permission to start taking pre-orders. And about the maker account and support, I will talk about that later in this video. So let us first check their website, which is clodpi.io. And in the website you will not actually find their helium miner. There is something called industrial outdoor gateway and indoor gateway, but these are not the helium miners. So I think they are adding those things, adding the miner on their website. They are working on it. The updates are in the Twitter channel. You will find all the links in the description. So this is their official Twitter channel, and you can see on July 30th they posted that their hotspot has been approved by the Helium. And then the next day they posted another tweet, and here this is how their hotspot will look like, and they have some description about their miner, which says that it has 6-core processor, it has 4 GB RAM with 64 GB onboard memory card, and it has dual band Wi-Fi connection and also Ethernet port. About the pre-ordering, they haven't posted yet any information on that yet. It just said that stay tuned for more details including pre-order. So if I have any more information, I will definitely post a video on that. And now we'll check the maker account. For that, go to your browser and type explorer.helium.com/hotspots/makers, and here you can see a list of all the manufacturers that have been currently approved. And in that list, on number 14, we have ClodPi. If you click on this, you will see that this is the maker account of ClodPi. Okay. If you click on activity, there is no activity, and hotspots also there is no hotspots here. So this is the address of ClodPi. But I checked one more thing. This is the new Helium Explorer. I also checked the same thing using the old Helium Explorer, which is basically the same address with Explorer-V1. And here there is one interesting fact. So you can see again there is ClodPi here, which says that this is a maker account. However, there are actually 107 hotspots under this account, and weirdly some of those hotspots are from that location in Sidhauli, UP, where there are a bunch of hotspots. So I don't know how this is happening. I don't have any information regarding that, but anyway, so the good information is that the maker account has been created, and I think they will start taking pre-orders very soon. So the next question is, how will you contact them? So of course you can follow their Twitter account for updates, and the other option is, if you go here, you can see there are two options. One is to email them at support@clodpi.io, and another option is to join their Discord server. So here is the Discord server. You can see it says ClodPi, official ClodPi Labs Corporation, and they have different regions. So this is important. You can see they have Indian 865, European 868, US 915, Australian 915, Asian 923, Russian 864, Korean 920. So that means they are not only manufacturing for India, they are also covering Europe and all other countries. Here I would like to mention that there are actually two models. So the Indian 865, European 868 and Russian 864 are the same model, and the Helium hotspot will auto switch to the right frequency when the location is asserted to that particular country. Similarly, US 915, Australian 915, Asian 923 and Korean 920 are also another model which will select its own frequency depending on its location. However, I am pretty sure that they will first give preference to the Indian market and make it priority so that they can sell most of their hotspots to the Indian people, because India currently hardly has any hotspot and the Indian people are having difficulty in buying hotspot from other vendors. And I think they will also give preference to the other Asian countries which are having difficulty to obtain a helium hotspot. You can also, in this Discord server, you can also talk to the other people, like other Indian and Asian people, and they will also help you with your questions, and you will be able to get support from each other. Okay, I hope this information will renew your interest in helium mining, and you will find all the relevant links in the description. But let me repeat that I do not yet have any information regarding when the pre-order will begin, and if I have any information, I'll make a video and post it in this channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and get cryptonized.